are learning at home, we are going to start with a video, and I will send you the link to this, but you can join us as we do this. Here we go. We'll listen once, and then you can stand up and do it with us.
Number bonds that make five. I know my number bonds. They help my math stay strong. Two parts make a whole. Let's move and sing along. Right arm up for the one part. Left arm up for the other part. Both arms up for the whole. Let's go.
Stand up and you can do it with it. Push in your chair and stand behind your chair.
1 plus 4 makes 5. 2 plus 3 makes 5. 3 plus 2 makes 5. 4 plus 1 makes 5. 5 plus 0 makes 5. Those are the number bonds that make 5. 0 plus 5 makes 5.
You can say it with him now.
1 plus 4 makes 5. 2 plus 3 makes 5. 3 plus 2 makes 5. 4 plus 1 makes 5. 5 plus 0 makes 5. Those are the number bonds that make 5. I know my number bonds. They help my math stay strong. Two parts make a whole. Let's move and sing along. Number bonds, number bonds, number bonds.
Okay.
Let's be friends.
Let's turn
Place
that
your
off.
mouse on my guitar.
Sorry.
Click the red subscribe button.
Okay. So we've sung a song about a number bond. The number bonds that he showed had circles. Your number bond paper has squares. That is not going to matter. Yes, Clara? Yes, go ahead. So, it's a little bit like that part whole math. The difference is we will not be putting any dots in this. We're just going to use numbers. And a number bond means two things bond together. When you're bonded together, you're joined. So the two smaller numbers are going to be bonded together. So I was going to show it, but I think it'll just be easier if I just write it like this, and I will use the square like you have. So we've got the big square, that's the whole of the number bond, and then you have the two smaller squares, those are the parts. And it can be circles or it can be squares. So if you see a number bond with circles, does that mean it's not a number bond? No. It's still a number bond. The important part of a number bond is that you are thinking of the two numbers that make the whole. Your hands should be in your lap right now if you're having trouble keeping your hands off the paper, because I want to be sure you're listening. I'm going to write this on the board. So I have written two number bonds on the board. Are both of those number bonds true? Just think. And if you decide they are, be sure you can tell me why. If you decide they aren't, be sure you can tell me why. Are those both true number bonds? I'm going to give everybody a couple of minutes to think about that. Here's two numbers, and there's the total. Two numbers, the same total. Are they both true, or are they not both true? What do you think? Hudson, what do you think? They're both true? Does anybody have a different idea? Abby? what? I can't hear you, Abby. One is what? Are they? One of them is true? Which one is true? The 5 and the 1, so 5 and 1 more is 6. Well, now Hudson thinks that the 4 and the 2 also makes 6. Okay? Why don't you get out some cubes, Evie, and see what 4 and 2 do equal? So see if you can prove to us that 4 and 2 do not equal 6. Okay? Get out some cubes and you prove it to us, okay? Because she doesn't think that this one is a true number bond. And is that okay if she thinks that? Of course it is. So we have some different ideas. It's always a good idea to check our work. So see what 4 and 2 is. If it's not 6, what would it be? What did you find out? It is 6. Oh, I'm so glad you proved that to us. So this one is true, and this one is true. Everybody agree? Yeah. Well now, oh, somebody else say no? Well, now I have another question. Both of those are true, but which one shows which one can help me answer this problem? Oh, sorry. Which one can help me answer this problem? Which number bond can help me answer this problem? Everybody look up here. Lindy, which of these 2 number bonds will help me answer this problem? I have 6 minus 5. Which number bond can help me with the answer to that problem? Can you, which one? The one on the left or the one on the right? The right. Why would this one help me answer that problem? It matches up with this one. How does it match up? Oh, there's a 5 and a 6. So the other part is the answer. So you're right that this helps me answer it. So I could also say, what addition sentence could I write for that? So I've got a 6 minus 5 equals 1. What addition sentence? Sean, what addition sentence could I write for this number bond? What 2 numbers could I add together? Five and so if I add a 6 to it, am I going to get 1? No, probably not. What am I going to add to it, Carly? A 1, and that's going to equal what? 6. So this addition problem, this number bond, can help me find the answer to a subtraction question. It will also help me later this week finding a missing add end, and we'll talk more about that. I'm going to have you do this one on your paper. So you'll need a dry erase marker, one of them, and a sock. Don't write anything yet. Now, you only have room for 1, so I haven't told you which one to write. Are you ready to listen? Yeah. Okay. I want to know, this is my question for you. Oh, nobody should have their marker off uncapped, and nobody should have written anything because I haven't asked the question yet. my question for you is, which number bond shows this, that will help me solve this? So what I want you to write in your boxes is either this number bond or this one, the one that you think will help me solve this problem. So you have a choice of 5, 2, 3, or 5, 1, 4. Write it on your paper, and I'm gonna look and see. I'm gonna come around and look and see which one you have decided. And it's okay if you make a mistake. Remember, this is learning. Remember the girl who never made mistakes? It's hard to live if you never make a mistake. So you're looking for a way to solve this problem. So what number should you have? So I'm going to try to solve the problem. 5 minus 2. So I'm trying to find what the answer to that is. You're not writing anything on the lines yet. So I want to find out that answer. So, who thinks it might be this one? And tell me why you think it's that one. Clara?
I think it's that one because if you take away 2.
Now wait a minute, but I don't have a 2 to take away here in this number bond. So how will I take 2 away? So, does anybody think it might be this one? And why do you think it might be this one? Isaiah, why would it be this one? So I need a 5 and a 2, and this one has a 5 and a 2. And then it would equal, because the other part of the bond is a 3. So this is the number bond that helps me solve this problem. Everybody make sure you have that one on your board. A 5, a 2, and a 3. A 5, a 2, and a 3. 5. 5 here, a 2, and a 3. So I don't need this one, do I? Because that one would help me with 5 minus 1 or 5 minus 4. Now you have 2 lines underneath your number bond. On the first line, on the top, write 5 minus 2 equals and what does it equal? You should have your 2 here and your 3 here. Just so it looks just like the board. And I'm just going to move mine up so everyone can see it. Yours is underneath, but I'm moving mine up so you can see it. And what did we decide it equals? 3. This should be an equal sign. Now, I've got another question for you. What addition sentence will help me? 5 equals, what addition sentence? What numbers should go there for the addition sentence? Right, 5. You need an answer here, a 3 there. You see, I'll add a 3. So what are the 2 parts of the bond? What 2 numbers added together equal 5? Jake, we've moved on to the next one. 5 equals, so on the next line, underneath you're going to write 5 equals, and what 2 numbers are you going to put there? The equal sign is the 2 lines. You don't need these lines, you just need to put the numbers there. You don't need to put the lines. I want you to write the numbers for from the number bond. Where are you going to get the 2 add-ins? This is on the top line. on the next line, you're writing 5 equals, now what two numbers are you gonna add together? What are the two numbers? 2 and 3, that's right, you're gonna write it 5 equals 2 and 3. Now write your numbers. You need an equal sign, and here you need a number plus a number. So that's how we're using the number bonds to help us solve problems. A number bond isn't a strategy for adding and subtracting. It's a strategy, it's just a way to set up a problem to help you know what your answer should be. You still have to kind of use one of these counting on strategies or something like that. Yes, Zach?
I think Dr. has one of my papers because I dropped a lot of my papers over there, and I think she picked up one of mine on accident.
Oh, did you just do that?
Yeah,
Like a minute ago. It was like,
okay. Papers from in your desk?
no. It was a paper that goes in your.
Oh, that's really important that we find that. Is it his?
It says that.
Okay. Oh my, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna copy this for him, I'm gonna copy it and bring it back to you.
Thank you for letting us know.
Thank you, Zach, that was great to let us know, and I'll make sure your parents get a fresh copy. All right, we're gonna do some more. I'm gonna write the number bond, you're gonna copy it. Then you're gonna write, I'm gonna give you the subtraction sentence, you're gonna copy it, then you're gonna solve it. So here's the number bond. Well, first I'll write the subtraction sentence. And then I want you to write the addition sentence.
Will we erase this?
Erase all of that and do this new one. And we're gonna continue like this to my at-home learner. And I'm going to add some more problems for your mom to give to you.